So buying a house is exciting, but what's it going to cost? Hi, I'm Kenneth Travis, and in this video, I want to show you what costs are associated when buying a house. When you know your budget up front and you know all of the closing costs that are involved during the process, it helps you make better informed decisions when buying a house. The truth is, good deals go fast, but when you know your numbers, you can take advantage of those good deals without hesitation. Now, closing costs are typically going to range between 2 and 5% of the home's purchase price. If you buy a home for $200,000, your closing costs could range anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000. But closing costs do vary depending on state, loan type, and mortgage lender, so it's important to pay close attention to all the fees. So I want to list out some of the closing costs that you'll see on your closing statement when buying a home, because you don't want any surprises. One of the common expenses you'll see is an appraisal fee. An appraisal fee usually runs $650 to $800 depending on your state, your location, maybe where you live. However, the appraisal is so important for you to have because you want to ensure that you're purchasing a home and that the value is the same or higher than what you're actually purchasing it for. The next cost you'll see is a home inspection. You want to make sure that you're purchasing a house that's sound structurally, and you want to know anything and everything that's wrong with that property. And this is an expense that you'll see on average about $450 to $550 in most markets. Most home buyers only spend about 15 minutes on average when looking at a house and deciding to buy it. They haven't had time to inspect the toilets, the electrical, the AC unit, and all of the other things that are so important when purchasing a home. Another common line item is homeowner's insurance. Homeowner's insurance is usually paid 1 year up front, and it's to secure and protect the asset in the event of a disaster. Now, the cost of homeowner's insurance, well, it varies depending on what insurance company that you use and maybe where you're located. But $1,200 is a good, solid, rough estimate for the average home in East Texas today. Title insurance is another line item that you'll see that's very common, and it's typically 1%. But what this gives the buyer is peace of mind and sovereignty, knowing that they're purchasing a home with no liens. Another line item that you're going to see is an underwriting fee. Now, check it out. It's not uncommon to have an underwriting fee. Underwriters have to be paid to underwrite that loan, and most companies do charge them. However, there are some that promote, hey, we don't have underwriting fees, but a lot of times those lenders have higher interest rates. In addition to the underwriting fee, you'll also see, and it's very common as well, is a processing fee. You have to pay when you're purchasing a home, and you've got to pay these people to make sure they get you to the finish line on time and with efficiency. Prepaids and escrows I know can be confusing. If you put 20% down, you're not required to escrow. However, escrowing your taxes and insurance in this account is actually very advantageous for many home buyers. You don't have to worry about coming up with the money at the end of the year. One more line item that might be present when buying a home is an origination fee. Now, it's not common, but it is sometimes used to help challenge credit borrowers purchase a home. Maybe you have a home buyer that's wanting to buy down the interest rate and they think that they're going to be in the house for a very long time. That's when you will see these origination fees. An origination fee is a charge by the lender to the consumer in exchange for a lower interest rate. These are some of the miscellaneous charges you'll see when purchasing a home. If you have any questions about what fees to pay, what are required, what are not required, feel free to reach out to me and my team at any time. We are here to help make the home buying process easier. I'm Kenneth Travis, your hometown mortgage and real estate expert. You can reach us at 903-331-0892 and check us out on our website where you'll find other videos in the Learning Center about purchasing a home. Hope that you have a great day.